For PC builders aiming for a clean, professional look, pre-bent tubing can be a lifesaver. Today, we're looking at the Bitspower pre-bent 90-degree acrylic hard tubes. This 4-pack of clear, 12mm outer diameter tubes offers a shortcut to achieving those crisp 90-degree bends without the hassle of bending acrylic yourself. Each tube features a 90-degree bend with straight sections measuring 110mm and 415mm. This specific configuration is useful for many standard case layouts, potentially saving a lot of time and wasted material. The acrylic is clear, allowing coolant color to shine through and adding to the overall aesthetic of the build. The 12mm outer diameter is a popular size, compatible with a wide range of fittings. Before purchasing, it's crucial to double-check measurements within your case. While these pre-bent tubes offer convenience, their fixed dimensions mean less flexibility compared to bending your own tubes. Careful planning and precise measurements are essential to ensure they fit your specific loop design. The quality of the acrylic is good, providing a clean and consistent look. The bends are smooth and even, avoiding any kinks or imperfections that could restrict flow. Bitspower is a reputable brand in the water cooling world, and these tubes reflect that reputation. These pre-bent tubes are not a magic bullet for every build. Complex or unconventional loop designs might still require custom bending. However, for simpler layouts or builders who want to avoid the learning curve of bending acrylic, the Bitspower pre-bent 90-degree tubes are a worthwhile investment. They offer a clean look, save time, and reduce the risk of errors. Just remember to measure twice and buy once to ensure compatibility with your system.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.